Hey guys, what's up? It's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a very exciting beauty video. I am going to try to dye my hair blue today, and I haven't had my hair really crazy colors on this channel. I think it was red when I first started, but I have done a lot of crazy colors in my time. I've had purple ombre, green ombre, bright reds, a little bit of pink. I'll pop up some pictures. But yeah, so I love a fun hair color, and it's been a while. I haven't had one, so I decided to do something. I don't think I've ever done blue, and this year for my birthday I'm doing kind of like a blue themed photo shoot. You guys will have to check out my Instagram and my blog for that. But it is Sunday morning and I just woke up. And yeah, I'm gonna try to dye my hair because I have plans today. I'm going to a birthday brunch, and then I'm actually doing my birthday photo shoot later. So kind of have to do my hair like right now. And I have a bag of products here that has been sitting in my room forever because I've just been putting off dyeing my hair because it's a lot, you know, it's kind of a lot of work. But yeah, I figured I'd show you guys what the heck I do. I have dyed my own hair many times. I wouldn't recommend it if you're not comfortable doing it because the products usually aren't as good for you. I'm not a professional, but it does save a lot of money, and I've done it many times. So I'm not too worried about it turning out bad. I just hope it shows up. Like, I want it to like show. So that's the problem I have sometimes because my hair is so dark. It's like naturally almost black. So of course that involves bleaching, which is damaging. So I'm gonna try to utilize these highlights I already have and not damage my hair too much more. I think I am gonna have to lighten them more because they're not very pale right now, but I'm gonna focus on the upper layer of my hair and also the bottom half because it's a lot easier to just kind of trim off the dead hair as opposed to like going all the way up to the roots. So that's the plan. So right now I'm gonna put in my contacts so that way my glasses aren't in my way, and make some coffee because it's like 9:30 in the morning, and then we'll get started. Okay, so this is the products we're working with today. The brands are Ion and Wella, and they're both professional grade products. I got them when I was at BeautyCon. And yeah, they were given to me by professional hairstylists. So shout out to Sally Beauty, who took me to BeautyCon last year, 2019, and gifted me with some hair dye, and I'm finally using it. So the first thing we're gonna do is use this little mixing set to basically bleach and lighten my hair, the scary part. So we have this Wella Balayage Developer. We're gonna mix that cream with this powder, which is basically gonna lift the color out of my hair. So yes, let's get that mixed and get it in my hair. Wish me luck, guys. Okay guys, so we're about to put some of this lightener in my hair. It's all mixed up, and I'm looking a hot mess because my hair is separated. So I have a pony in the back, I have the pony in the back, and then I have this one on the side, and we're gonna start with this section right here. I'm gonna mostly focus on the top layer, so that's why I'm doing it first, so I can use most of the lightener there. Like I said, I want this to show. Like, I'm not subtle, you guys. So yeah, so we're gonna focus on the top layer and this bottom part, and I'm probably only gonna leave this stuff on for like 15-ish minutes since it's already lightened. Normally it would probably take a lot longer, but since it's already pretty light, I just need it to be more pale so that the dye shows up the way I want it to. And I do have a couple of quick tips for you guys if you are ever considering dyeing your own hair. Make sure you're not wearing anything you don't want to ruin. I have ruined many t-shirts. I know to just wear like junky old t-shirts. Right now I'm just wearing like a old sports bra. It's kind of crusty, so if I ruin this, it gives me a reason to throw it away. It's totally fine. I would suggest like an old pajama t-shirt or like a junky sports bra or something like that. Yeah, so you don't want to ruin your clothes. And make sure, if you have thick crazy hair like mine, make sure you separate it, because you're not going to be able to distribute evenly if you're trying to just go at all of it. And one more thing, brush out your hair. It's best to wash it beforehand too, but make sure it's completely dry by the time you're gonna dye it. So I washed my hair yesterday and didn't put too much product in it, and then I brushed it out just now, and I think it's ready to go. So yeah, let's do that. All the bleach, lightener, lifter is all in. I am aware it's gonna lighten unevenly. Strangely, that's kind of what I want. So the parts that are already more light are obviously just gonna get lighter and lighter, and the parts of my hair that were more dark are, you know, gonna lighten a different way. So I'm hoping when I put the color on that it'll pick up different pigments, different shades of aqua, which is the dye that I'm using, and kind of turn it into like different shades of blue. I just wanted to tell you guys a few quick things that I thought of while I was dyeing my hair. First of all, I'm not a professional. If you're a professional, don't roast me. I'm not a pro. I do not get paid to do anyone's hair. This is just a video for fun because I dye my hair all the time. Secondly, if you have curly hair, you can get away with more, if that makes sense. So the lines, if my lines aren't like super straight, obviously if I was a professional, I'd be using like foil and stuff like that right now. The reason I don't is because when I've done my own hair and just kind of like winged it, it's actually turned out exactly how I want it. It doesn't work that way for straight hair because you can see the distinct lines if you're trying to do highlights. But I'm also not trying to do highlights. I'm trying to do more of an ombre look. I'm okay with multiple tones in there. I'm just pretty go with the flow. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind, that if you're not like a go with the flow, whatever it looks like is good with me. If that's not your thing, then probably don't dye your own hair. Just go to the salon, just pay the money. I support hairstylists. I do get my hair done at least once a year so I can have it professionally touched up and trimmed, and every time they yell at me and tell me not to dye my own hair. So just want to let you guys know, a little PSA, that I encourage you to go to the hair salon. I just get bored and want to dye my hair sometimes. Alright guys, so I think I'm about to rinse. As you can see, it's very pale and light, but it's kind of rosy, which is due to the fact that I had bright red in my hair last year, and red is one of the hardest colors to get out, so it's just gonna be kind of rosy, and I'm hoping when the blue goes over it, it might turn it a little purpley. I don't really know, but we'll find out. The good news is, like I said, I'm very chill about my hair color, so we will see what happens. But I'm about to rinse this and put in the blue. Okay, you guys, so I actually ran out of time to put the blue in, and I had to run to my friend's birthday brunch, but it's okay because now my hair is super dried and it's looking a little, it's much lighter, but it's looking very rosy. So I'm a little nervous the color is not going to come out how I want it, but like I said, like honestly, whatever it turns into, it'll be fine. So I'm about to put the teal over this pinkish rosy color and just kind of see what happens. So all right, let's do it. Okay guys, honestly, I just rinsed and washed my hair and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Like, I'm impressed with myself, I can't lie. But so you guys can get a better look, I'm going to dry and diffuse my hair and then I'll give you guys a final look. Alright guys, the hair is done. Honestly, it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted it to be like really just blue, and that's what I ended up with. So, you know, I was a little nervous at times. Everything wasn't perfect, but it honestly, the end result is just what I wanted. I checked. I don't really see any like blonde spots, anything missed. Like the color, it's really good. I'm really impressed. I ended up just needing the tube of the Ion. I didn't even use the Wella, so when my hair needs to be touched up, I can use that second tube. So I'm really excited. And if you guys are wondering why I did a total transformation, it's because I'm about to do a photo shoot for my birthday. So make sure you check out my birthday vlog, which is going to be probably my next video. So stay tuned for that. And I'll, you know, show you guys the photos and everything in that video. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. And would you ever dye your hair blue? Let me know. I support, obviously. Thank you guys so much. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, homies.